No, I definitely will not blame anybody. I don't think this is a blame game. I think you have to, in T20 cricket, you have to take some chances. You have to be positive, and especially after the kind of start we had got, you have to be positive. You can't, you don't expect that you'll suddenly lose 4 or 5 wickets with the kind of batting lineup we have. You don't expect to lose 4 or 5 wickets suddenly. So, yeah, it was disappointing. I think we lost the game in that. In that period where we lost 5 wickets very quickly, I think that was a period in the game where I feel we lost it. I feel if we had been managed to get about 170, 180, I think that would have been a very competitive score, and the kind of start we got, it looked like we would get there, but I think credit to their spinner, and I think maybe we didn't bat particularly well today. Well, I mean, he's a young kid, and I'd like to give him credit as well. I think he stuck to his disciplines and he stuck to his lines, and he bowled well, and I also think that we played some poor shots as well, and sometimes in T20 cricket, when you're trying to set the pace of the game, sometimes that can happen. But yeah, I think it was a combination of some good bowling and some poor shots as well. नहीं देखिए, this पूरी तरह मतलब ये पहली मैच है जो मैं कहूँगा जिसमें हम लोगों ने 10 मैचेस में हम लोगों ने इतना अच्छा क्रिकेट खेला नहीं है, और हमारी ये जो इससे बेहतर हमारी बैटिंग हो नहीं सकती. बैटिंग ऑर्डर अगर आप पेपर पे रखें, हमारी जो टीम है, हम सिर्फ 4 फॉरेन प्लेयर्स को खिला सकते हैं, तो इससे हमारी बेहतर बैटिंग ऑर्डर नहीं हो सकती. और हम लोगों ने आज थोड़ा वो गैम्बल लिया था कि हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि आज अच्छा बैटिंग ऑर्डर लेके जाएंगे. दिल्ली के अगेंस्ट अच्छी विकेट थी, और वी थॉट कि हम लोग अगर 170, 180 बना देंगे तो फिर दिल्ली के ऊपर काफ़ी प्रेशर बढ़ सकता है, पर ऐसा हुआ नहीं. और अगर अगले मैचेस में जाके देख के ज़रूर हम लोगों को देखना पड़ेगा कि हमारी क्या बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होगी. Yeah, it's coming to that stage almost. It's almost becoming. But I really don't want to focus on 6 games ahead. To be honest, we got to take it one game at a time. And we're in the position we're in. I think the first thing we got to do is to get a win under the belt and arrest the slide and get back some of the momentum. I can't fault the effort of the team and the way the guys are trying. And there's been a lot of positives that have come out of us this season. I thought we played a lot better cricket this season than the last year. Today was the one bad game, and it's going to hurt us and it's going to be disappointing. But like I said, we'll have to take it one game at a time. We'll have to we are on the road now for a couple of games, and we'll have to hopefully win those games on the road and come back here to Jaipur, where we generally play well, but we've lost the last 2 and we've got to try and correct that. I mean, honestly, I haven't looked at the table so much. It's about trying to win each and every game you play. I mean, what might be enough, what might be enough. With a couple of rained out games, maybe you might need 9 wins. Who knows? It's. I mean, from our point of view, it's too early for us to start thinking about that stage in the table. For us, it was important at this stage. I would have ideally liked to have had about 10 or 12 points. We lost a couple of close games, and we played badly today. We're not in an ideal position where we'd like to be. We know, like you said, we probably have to win most of our games from now on in, and it's not going to be easy in this 2020 format of the game. But we've got the players to do it, and if few of the guys get on a bit of a roll, then who knows what might happen. Shane Watson was fit, he was fine. He came here and practiced yesterday evening with the team. He was really keen. I thought he bowled very well considering, and also, unfortunately Kevin Cooper was injured, so he had to sometime obviously replace an all-rounder for an all-rounder, and I thought he'll get better and better as the tournaments goes on, and we know how destructive a player he can be, and he's the kind of guy who can, if he gets on a bit of a roll, then he can do well for us. But it's not only about Watson. I think we've got a lot of quality in our team, a lot of good players, and they have to deliver. Well, like I've always said, we've also got some youngsters that we're trying to always bring on, and we've seen that the performance of people like Rahane, and I thought Ankit Chauhan today was really good again. So there's some good heartening signs as well there from some of the youngsters coming through.